How to add Spotify playlist to Notion. Hi guys, so first things first, all we need to do is to open our web browser and log in or sign in to our Spotify accounts. Now I have my signed in Spotify account ready in here. All we need to do is to click or choose a playlist. So as for me, I'll just be choosing one of the Daily Mix playlists. So for example, Daily Mix 3. Alright, now here we can see a play button, save to your library button, and the 3 dotted button. So these are like more options for Daily Mix 3. Let's click on that one. And let's scroll down a bit more. So here below we can see share and embed playlists. Now here we can see an embed playlist box. You can actually change the color, depends on your taste, and then the size as well. So we have 2 size options, the normal and the compact, and the percentage in this area as well. So no need to enter this one actually, just click on copy. Let's go to Notion this time. So here I have a blank page ready for me, and any title would do actually. So let's just type in Spotify Daily Mix 3 playlist. Okay, let's click on enter. Once we hit enter, we can type in our command. So our command for embedded links is /embed. Now here we can see a box. Let's type in our embedded link from Spotify and embed link. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.